Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best reviews and recommendations for your favorite products. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for all you cookie lovers out there.
We're diving into what is arguably the best oatmeal cookie recipe without raisins on the market, Maxine's Heavenly Cinnamon Oatmeal Cookies.
Now, before we dive into the delicious details of these cookies, let me give you a quick rundown of what Maxine's Heavenly Cinnamon Oatmeal Cookies are all about. These cookies are gluten-free, vegan, and sweetened with coconut sugar and dates, making them a tasty, low-sugar, and guilt-free dessert option.
Each pack contains 7.2 ounces of pure cookie bliss, and we have a 2-pack for you today.
As you can see, these cookies come in a convenient 2-pack, perfect for sharing or savoring on your own. They are available in different flavors, but today, we'll be focusing on the cinnamon oatmeal raisin variety. Now, let's get to the best part, the taste test.
These cookies have received rave reviews for their amazing flavor.
They're moist, chewy, and have a pronounced cinnamon taste that's absolutely delightful. They're also gluten-free, which is great for those with dietary restrictions, and they're made with wholesome ingredients that you can feel good about. Just take a look at this cookie, super soft, moist, and loaded with cinnamon goodness. The texture is on point, and it's clear that Maxine's Heavenly has put a lot of effort into creating a delicious, homemade-style cookie. Besides being delicious, these cookies have some other perks. They're sweetened by nature with coconut sugar and dates, which means they have lower sugar content compared to many other cookies on the market.
Plus, they're vegan, kosher, and non-GMO, making them suitable for a variety of dietary preferences.
If you're watching your sugar intake, you'll be pleased to know that these cookies contain just 5 grams of sugar per serving.
Customers have praised these cookies for their taste, texture, and gluten-free attributes.
Many have mentioned that they are a great option for satisfying sugar cravings while still being a healthier choice. So, there you have it, folks. Maxine's Heavenly Cinnamon Oatmeal Cookies, the best oatmeal cookie recipe without raisins available in the market today. If you're looking for a guilt-free, gluten-free, and vegan dessert option that doesn't compromise on flavor, these cookies are a must-try. If you've tried these cookies or have any questions, please leave your comments down below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more delicious reviews and recommendations.